Good morning, my dear students. In the last class, we have to discussing about the advent of Europeans to India. In that class, we have discussing about the what are the trade relationship between the India and Europeans. India and Europeans. Why the Europeans are come to the India, and so what are the changes in the trade and commerce? How should have make the relations about the particular aspects of trade and commerce, and so which place it in which place they had started the trade and commerce, and which is that place, and those who are over the monopoly of the others. This kind of the informations we have to study it in the last class. uh, the Italians traders, they are overthrown the monopoly on the others countries, the other Europeans. They had make a strong ಏಕಸ್ವಾಮ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಿದರು ಇಟಾಲಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮೊನೊಪಾಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಏಕಸ್ವಾಮ್ಯತೆ ಹಿಯರ್, and which was the international trade center, that is the Constantinople. It is the international trade center for those days. In that days, let us we will discussing about the fall of the Constantinople. Now we are discussing the fall of the Constantinople. The fall of the Constantinople. Yeah, the many the many countries or the many companies, they have entered to the India for the trade and commerce purpose. The Asia and Europe has taken place through the city of Constantinople. In the year of 1453, the Ottoman Turks, in the year of 1453, what happened? See, Ottoman Turks captured the Constantinople. Ottoman Turks, they captured the Constantinople. Yes, the Constantinople has captured by the Ottoman Turks in the year of the 1453. In your examination, they will ask one more question. So when the Ottoman Turks has captured when did the Ottoman Turks have captured the Constantinople? This kind of question they will arise in your examination. What is the answer? So 1453, isn't it? See, or like, and that type of the question they will ask you. In the year of 1453, the Constantinople was captured by whom? In the year of 1453, the Constantinople was captured by who? What is the answer? The Ottoman Turks. ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುವಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. 2 ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮನ್ ಟರ್ಕ್ಸ್ರು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಾಂಟಿನೋಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ವಶಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. What is that answer? So 1453, that is the answer. And one more type of the question they will ask. 1453ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಾಂಟಿನೋಪಲ್ ಯಾರು ವಶಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡರು ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. That answer is Ottoman Turks. Ottoman Turks. Did you understand? Let us. So what was Ottoman Turks captured the Constantinople? As a result, all the trade routes connecting the city of Constantinople came under the control of Turks. Yes. As a result, all the sea route were connecting to the Constantinople. Those sea route has connected to the Constantinople. When the Constantinople has captured by the Ottoman Turks, what happened? Those routes came under the Ottoman Turks. See here, as a result means when the Ottoman Turks they have captured the Constantinople in the year of 1453. During that time, as a result, all the sea routes they were connecting the Constantinople. Why? Before I told that the Constantinople, it is the international trade center, international trade and commerce center. It means the international marketing place. In such a way that when the people of the Ottoman Turks they captured the Constantinople, those routes come under the Ottoman Turks. It means all the routes, the owner of those routes are the Ottoman Turks only. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟೋಮನ್ ಟರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬಲ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಿದ್ರು ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಗಗಳು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಅಧೀನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಪಟ್ಟವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ connecting the Constantinople came under the control of the Turks. The Turks started levying to many taxes on the goods passing through these routes. Yes. By this result, the Ottoman Turks they started the taxes. They started the see here. The Ottoman Turks they started the collecting the taxes those vehicles or those boats are passing through the Constantinople. The Turks then started collecting the taxes. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಾಂಟಿನೋಪಲ್ ಅಟೋಮನ್ ಟರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವಶಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಲ್ಲ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮುದ್ರದ ಮಾರ್ಗಗಳು ಇವರ ಅಧೀನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಮಾರ್ಗಗಳು ಆಗಲ್ಪಟ್ಟವು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಪರಿಣಾಮವಾಗಿ ಏನಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟೋಮನ್ ಟರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಸ್. ಯಾವ ಏನೋ ಶಿಪ್ಗಳು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಾಂಟಿನೋಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ the goods passing through these route, as the result, the trade became a unprofitable. Meanwhile, the Spain and Portugal were attempting to break the monopoly of Italian traders. Here, when Ottoman Turks they had started and collecting the taxes of the other countries, those the unprofitable for the other countries. Yes, unprofitable for the other countries. Why? Already they are collecting the taxes. Those companies they lost profit, yet the companies yet the Turks they collecting the taxes. Nodri, ಆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವರು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ತೆರಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಲೇಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತೆರಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಲೇಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ದೋಸ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟೇಬಲ್. ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವು ತಮ್ಮ ಲಾಭವನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟನ್ನು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದು ಹೊರೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಪೇನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪೋರ್ಚುಗಲ್ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ. To break the monopoly of Italian traders. Yes, the Spain and the Portugal they had stopped the trade relations to the Italians. They had stopped that trade relations to the Italians. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಅಟೋಮನ್ ಟರ್ಕ್ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಸಂಪರ್ಕವನ್ನು ಅವರು ಕಡಿತಗೊಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. See here, they started encouraging interpreting sailors to find a new sea route to India. Yes, some sailors they are not stopped their thinking about they find out the sea route to India. Some Portuguese or Spain people they did not stop their thinking how should reach the India. Always they are thinking about the find out the new sea route to India. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಾಂಟಿನೋಪಲ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅಟೋಮನ್ ಟರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆ ಒಂದು ವೇನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿ ರೂಟನ್ನು ಜಲಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ. ಯಾರದು? ದ ಇನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಂಪಾಸ್, ದ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೋಲೇಬ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಗನ್ ಪೌಡರ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ವೆಂಚರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ let us we will discussing the new sea route to India. New sea route to India. Did you understand the fall of the Constantinople? Simply you know that the Constantinople has captured the Ottoman Turks in the year of 1453. So as the result all the sea routes are connected to the Constantinople. By this result the Ottoman Turks they have collected the taxes. So this is a very unprofitable for the Spain and the Portugal sailors or the tradesmen. Those people they had stopped the trade and commerce relations to the Italians. After some days, those people they are thinking about the invention to the new or founded the new sea route to the its reach to the India. ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಾಂಟಿನೋಪಲ್ ಪತನ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟೋಮನ್ ಟರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು ವಶಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಂತೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಾಂಟಿನೋಪಲ್ ಅವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗಗಳು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಪರ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟೋಮನ್ ಟರ್ಕ್ಸ್ರು ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಾಹನಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ಶಿಪ್ಗಳ ನೌಕೆಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ತೆರಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ವಿಧಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಆ ತೆರಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಪೇನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪೋರ್ಚುಗಲ್ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಅದು ಹೊರೆ ಅನಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಆ ರೂಟನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಜಲಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿದ್ರು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಾಂಟಿನೋಪಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ let us will discussing about move towards in this chapter the next aspects, that is the new sea route to India. A new sea route to India. Yeah. In this point, who has come to India at the first time, from which country, and when he come to India, and where he has reached to India, and those who are ruling during the time, and who had helped to the sailors. This point now we are discussing in this aspect. Here, the Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama as a Portuguese sailor. Yes, a Portuguese sailor. Portuguese sailor. Vasco da Gama, he was the Portuguese sailor. What he did, left the Lisbon, and reached Kappadu. He reached Kappadu. It is near Calicut. Near to Calicut. On the west coast of India west coast of India in 1498. See here. First, the Vasco da Gama, he was the Portuguese sailor. He left Brisbane. The Brisbane, it was in the Portugal. It was in the Portugal. And when he reached the India at Kappadu, where is Kappadu? Near to Calicut. On the west coast of India. And when he has come to India, in which year? The Vasco da Gama, he come to India in the year of 1498. 1498. He reached Calicut. Especially the name of the particular place is Kappadu. Where it was Kappadu? Where it is Kappadu? Near to Calicut. Yes. In your, let us will see your examination point of view. Yes. Who was Vasco da Gama? Vasco da Gama is a Portuguese sailor. That is enough the answer. And one more question they will ask. When the Vasco da Gama reached India? When did Vasco da Gama reach the India? In the year of 1498. And so one more questions asking in this point. The Vasco da Gama, he has came from which place? The Lisbon, isn't it? That is answer. These kind of questions arriving in your examination, isn't it? Here, thus he was successful discovering a new sea route to India. Totally, finally, so Vasco da Gama has made successful what was that great work? Finally, he had find out the new route to the India, or invention the new sea route to India. Finally, he has success, isn't it? Then afterwards, what happened? This route continued to be the route of trade between India and Europe for many years. For many years, the Portuguese sailors they continued their trade and commerce relations to India, and the Portuguese were thus supposed to re-establish trade between India and Europe. Let us start the restart the relations of the trade and commerce from India to Europe countries. Did you understand what I'm telling? Please, if you have any other doubts, please you can ask me. Yes, dear students, that's enough for it. What happens? Let's go in the next period and take the homework. Take the homework. Who had captured the Constantinople? Then second one, when they captured the Constantinople. Write about the result of capture the Constantinople. Then fourth one is who had who had who had discovered the new sea route to India. Who had discovered new sea route to India. This is finished. Okay. Thank you.